Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest car LED auto lamp, car headlights, turbo lamp, automobile. Item number 1. XSTORM 2 PCs H15 LED bulb Canbus CSP car headlight high beam day driving running light 12 volts 6000 K white auto lamp for VW Audi BMW. Item description: 1-year warranty. LED chip: 4 pieces upgraded CSP chips. Power: 50 watts high power. Luminous flux: 12,000 LM super bright. Voltage: 12 volts. Item number 2. NOVSIGHT LED H4H7H11900690005 car headlights bulbs 90 watts 1500 LM decoder automobile LED headlamp front lights 6000 K 12 volts 24 volts. Feature: professional automotive grade LED lamp beads. Super brightness, true decoding, constant current driver, solves 99% of decoding problems. Excellent heat dissipation, structure design, opening base with high-speed silent fan. Item number 3. 100 watts 2500 LM liquid metal H7 LED Canbus H1 H4 LED headlight bulb H8 H11 9005 HB3 9006 HB4 CSP car lights, turbo lamp, automobile. Liquid metal LED headlight, use alloy medium technology, safe and non-toxic. 2-year warranty. LED chip, super bright upgraded CSP chips. Power: 100 watts high power. Lumen. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.